In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails with Mailchimp. Whether you are sending newsletters, promotional announcements, product updates, or important business communications, Mailchimp makes it easy to reach a large audience efficiently. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete process of creating and sending a professional bulk email campaign step by step. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Mailchimp website. Once the page loads, log into your account using your account credentials. If you are new to the platform, you can create an account first, which only takes a few minutes. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Mailchimp dashboard, where all your campaigns, audiences, and marketing tools are managed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, because this dashboard will be the main workspace for your email marketing activities. From the navigation menu, go to the Campaigns section and select All Campaigns. This page displays every email campaign you have previously created. Now, click on Create Campaign to begin setting up your new bulk email. Mailchimp will ask you to choose the type of campaign you want to create. Select Regular Email, as this option is commonly used for newsletters, updates, and promotional emails sent to larger groups of subscribers. Next, enter a campaign name that is easy to recognize later. Using a clear title helps keep your campaigns organized, especially if you plan to send emails regularly. After naming the campaign, you'll move on to selecting your audience list. This step determines who will receive your email. Mailchimp also provides audience segmentation features, allowing you to target specific subscriber groups. For example, you can separate new subscribers from longtime customers or target users based on their activity and interests. Using segmentation can make your campaigns more relevant and improve engagement. After selecting your audience, fill in the sender information. This includes the sender name and email address that recipients will see in their inbox. Using a professional and recognizable sender name helps build trust and improves the likelihood that people will open your email. Now it's time to create your subject line. This is one of the most important parts of your campaign because it directly affects open rates. Make sure your subject line is clear, engaging, and related to the content inside the email. Once that's complete, click on Design Email. Here, you can choose from Mailchimp's built-in templates or create a custom design from scratch. Add your content, images, buttons, and branding elements to personalize the campaign and make it visually appealing for your audience. After finishing the design, click Continue to review the entire campaign carefully. Double-check the text, links, images, and formatting to ensure everything looks professional and functions properly. Finally, decide whether you want to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Scheduling can be especially useful if you want to reach your audience during peak engagement hours. And that's it! You've successfully created and prepared a bulk email campaign using Mailchimp. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.